When using the status device, you're going to notice that there are two holes on the trip pin. We're going to make sure that we use the bottom hole, which gives it the most power. Whenever using a flare, we want to check our surrounding area to make sure that when the flare goes up, it's not going to collide with the tree or anything unsafe. Whenever we're screwing it in, this is a small explosive device. We want to make sure it can't somehow go off in our hand. So we want to make sure our trip pin is installed properly. We should put our thumb in the ring underneath just so that nothing can slip and go wrong. When using the explosive, we want to keep our hand far away from the gray cap. So install it here, screw it in carefully, all the way until it's fully seated. Once that's done, make sure you remove your hand. You can then let go of the pull ring and safely pull your wire back into position.